You search for how to buy shares of Embla Medical HF. Embla Medical develops medical devices for sleep and respiratory diagnostics and trades on CBOE EU under the ticker EMBLA. CO. This video is educational and not financial advice. To trade stocks, you need a broker. Here I use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker embla.co to locate the listing. Check the search results carefully to select the correct Embla Medical HF stock. On the asset page, review the short company description and the price chart to see recent market activity. Confirm the market shows CBOE EU and the ticker embla.co so you have the right stock. Click Invest or Trade. Enter the amount you want to buy. Then review the order details and confirm to submit it. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to review the platform.